Jamie Qureshi is a 5th grade science teacher here at Preston. She received a Foundations from Allen Schools grant to put together empowered science read-aloud kits. These kits rotate through our grade levels to learn more and explore more about careers in science.
Each kit has 3 or 4 read-aloud books. Some of them are geared toward lower grades and some of them are geared towards higher grades. And science teachers get them once a month and to do read-alouds in their classrooms.
Our students have loved getting to explore these kits, and it has done a great job of sparking their curiosity and allowing them to learn more about careers in the field of science. I'm so proud of Jamie and her vision for these empowered science kits and the way that she is supporting our students with their future ready skills.
A lot of people think art is just drawing, and really what they're doing is helping kids take an image that's in their head and get it into a viewable form by others. And the amount of skill that takes to take a vision and make it reality involves a whole lot of moving parts. And so you have to have a really good imagination, but you also have to take risks, and I think taking risks is an important future-ready skill.
When you walk in my room, I have that sign. The kids always ask me about that. They're like, "What are you talking about?" I'm like, "Well, you know, there's gonna be times when you do a piece of art and it's just not gonna work. This piece we started, it didn't go the way you wanted to, or you had your measurements were off. Let's go get another piece of paper, let's bring it out here, let's lay it down, let's start over again."
Ceramics or jewelry, painting, sculpture, we have all of it. It's a great department because they cohere well, and what they're teaching kids to do in terms of expressing themselves is valuable.
I teach Art 1 and also AP Art History, and above all, I think the biggest future-ready skill is that my students learn to communicate, and that could be through paint and drawing or ceramics, but they also in our history are writing and speaking and studying, you know, why people make what they make. It's a great way to understand humanity. You can understand how humans work, what they value. You can see things from other perspectives and get along with people and understand where they're coming from.
I'm so proud of this team every day. They do a great job as a PLC. They're probably one of the highest functioning PLCs in our building. And what they bring to children and to each other is super rewarding. It's an honor to supervise them, and I'm so proud that we're recognizing them for future ready skills.